In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your data clean in Hubspot. Ensuring that your Hubspot data is clean and organized is crucial for maintaining efficiency in your business operations. Let's dive into the steps to make sure your HubSpot account is in top shape. First, open your internet browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. If you haven't visited HubSpot before, the homepage is easy to find at hubspot.com. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your HubSpot account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up and set up your details, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you're already signed in. After logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home. From here, locate the CRM or Customer Relationship Management section. You can find this typically on your dashboard or by navigating through the menu options. CRM tools are essential in managing your business interactions with current and potential customers, so keeping this data clean is key to maximizing its potential. Once you're in the CRM section, direct your attention to the Companies tab. Clicking on Companies will lead you to a comprehensive list of organizations that you're engaged with through HubSpot. This area serves as the primary overview of all the companies you're dealing with and where you'll find information such as industry, size, and location. Regularly reviewing this information helps you ensure everything is accurate and up to date, critically important for effective relationship management. Now focus on the column labeled Last Activity Date. This will help you easily identify the latest interactions you or your team have had with these companies. By sorting or filtering contacts based on the last activity date, you can identify stale contacts or dormant accounts that might need revisiting or updating. Keeping this data clear and indicating when your last interaction took place serves as a helpful guide for planning follow-up actions and maintaining a healthy business relationship. Remember, maintaining clean data is not a one-time task but an ongoing process. Regular checks and updates prevent errors and ensure that your interactions and related information stay relevant. Setting a schedule to review and clean your data in HubSpot, such as weekly or monthly, will help you stay on top of it. And there you have it. Your company data is now organized and ready to work for you. By following these steps regularly, you keep your HubSpot data clean and your business running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.